Hello internet marketers, my name is Leon from How to Webmaster, and today I am giving you guys these two ebooks here. The Money List, 100 plus sites that will pay you, and 90 easy ways to get more traffic. And you can download these guides with the link below this video. So the first one is 90 easy ways to get more traffic. And it is exactly that. It's 90 ways to get more traffic. So these are ideas you can use to bring more traffic. And the next one is the Money List, 100 sites that will pay you. So these are sites that you can work from home with and make money online by doing things like freelancing and selling things online. And you're not going to get rich quick overnight with these, but they are legit make money opportunities, and they're free. We have things like contest sites, get paid to do things site like click or view ads, read emails, and click for cash, and then some tips to stay on track. Here are some sites from the list. So we have Amazon, and of course you can sell things on Amazon, or you can become an affiliate. There's reselling opportunities. Mechanical Turk, it's like a Fiverr or micro task service that you can join to do these micro tasks and get paid for. And answering questions for cash, like surveys. And even if you don't have a computer, here are some sites that you can use your cell phone for fun and profit. So we have quite a few here. And crowdfunding, freelancing opportunities, and gaming for cash. So there are a lot of opportunities in this list of 100 sites to make money online with. So it's free. Go ahead and check out the direct link to this page. Again, there's nothing to register, opt in. It's free for you guys. The link is below this video. I hope it helps. Thanks for checking out How to Webmaster. Please subscribe for more internet marketing tips, tricks, and make money online opportunities. Thanks again, and until next time, happy money making.